From Divine Sister of the Light Erini, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athens, January 27th, 2023, the Solar Field, DNA Access to Nectar and Ambrosia. I was asked by our grandmother goddesses and grandfather gods to deliver the following information. 144 flowing in. I believe this is one of the most important messages I have ever received. Please note that I do not have a time frame in which this will occur, but from my personal work, I know that this process has already started. Message. In the next period, shocking events will occur that will cause the opening of the solar field in the human organism, which was out of reach and inaccessible due to previous interference with the human axis. The solar field resides inside the body. It is connected to the solar plexus, and it will be accessible again because of the sudden move and restoration of the true axis that will take place. The whole experience of the process of restoration of the true axis, the human realignment to it, and the human reconnection to the solar field will vary from individual to individual, but it could even be violent or painful depending on one's state. This is because via the solar plexus area, people had lost access to the true axis, thus access to true nutrition, and they used to apply power and control over themselves, others, energies, and situations in order to survive and feed. So this area is very tight and closed for many. Please know that trust in the self will be restored, and the stomach will stop eating the way it used to. But until this will be fully completed, there might appear intense stomach symptoms and strong emotional issues in order for the distortions to be felt, recognized, and addressed through conscious healing. The field of the stomach will be totally changed, and the sense of true inner power will return, illuminating the inner worlds and allowing access again to the living light and the nectar and ambrosia that the divine DNA needs. This process is part of the reading of the personal book of Revelation, which has now begun for many, and via the Tree of Life process, it can be done easily and in safety. I guess this message confirms many types of crisis that many people are going through, while the disillusionment of the false ego personality is taking place, and big parts of the inner programmed tape are being fully erased. All controlling and codependency patterns and habits will be clearly felt, seen, and released as the sense of the actual personal inner power and the true presence of the healthy identity will be returning in the process of reconnecting to the flow of the true source. Upon our realignment to true source, no one will have the need to feed of another anymore, as the essence of the living light of true life will be running in our inner worlds, providing us with love and every nutrient we need. Our DNA will be able to be fed again by nectar and ambrosia. Blessings of disillusionment, Erini.